What's up, my people? Concrete day. We're in the back in the concrete business. We got the white trucks. Miss the white trucks. Concrete floor on poly. Dead flat, no pitch on this one. 4.5 inches, 4,000 psi. Reinforced with fiber mesh. We'll put saw cut this way, saw cut that way. We're ready to go. Got Crazy Carl helping me with this one again. But yeah, looking good. We got Crazy Carl. There he is.
There we go. I'm ready.
He's ready.
I'm ready.
Missed the white trucks. Yeah, they got some new ones though.
You heard me asking what happened. I don't have enough during the week. I gotta work the weekend too.
That's right. You got to work the weekends. Yellow and green now they switch their trucks to. Got the laser set up right there. We're just gonna blow it in here. We got mid-range reducer in it, which allows you to pour out a 7, but it reacts as a 4. So you could add, you're not adding water to it. It just is a chemical. We got the Muddy Feet Concrete shirt going. Make sure you check out his channel, good channel on YouTube, Muddy Feet Concrete. If you see our line, the line on the wall, just don't bury our line, that's all. Stay away from the wall foot, won't put it through. The first shot, blow right down to the back, put it on. Like they do in the movies. I know. That guy shot the other day.
Yeah.
One thing first.
Yeah, a little water.
Hey, no water. All right, he's out. Got a pile here, gonna blow it in, rake it out. Stepping it up already.
No.
Well, no,
You're gonna have to mute it because I'm gonna start calling you old in there.
no, I'm saying from just pulling it.
There's the other truck. She said back to back. Oh yeah, she's pushing that. Come on.
Did you try it?
Huh?
Stepping it up.
Come on.
Well, she's in and all flat. Poured a little stiffer than we wanted to. We ordered all that mid-range reducer and we still poured it stiff, but it would be a great floor. We got some serious rain last night here, right after I left. Now it's a waiting game. It's gonna set up pretty fast. 90 degrees today. The pizza pan is almost ready. We're hitting our edges. We taper this front so the water comes down, hits that seal on a driving rain and rolls out. Again, this floor is dead flat, no pitch, because he's gonna be working in here on a creeper and stuff and doesn't want any issues. This is just mag floated now with the C channel, but we are gonna be ready in about a half hour. We got the truck here to block the sun because we have sun, no sun, and that will cause big issues. All right, we got the pizza pan. The pizza pan. Gonna bring the cream up, flatten the floor. If nobody's used this pizza pan, it's a must for garage floors. Nothing like it. It's like doing a swirly float. See that cream? All right, that's one hit with the pizza pan, one hit with the blades. She's setting quick. We're gonna go again with the blades. Got a lot of fiber in this mix. Yep, that's 3 hits, looking mighty fine. Obviously here in the sun it's drying a little more, especially over in that piece, but it's slicked off and we'll probably a couple more hits. This floor is coming out nice. Each time we go around, hit the edges to match and hit our chamfered edge, make that all blend nicey. Nice. Yeah, just after lunch on the last hit. This is all polished and done. Boy, is she dry right here, huh? Back here, different story. Got my concrete finishing cracks on. I've been, looks really good though. So just about from here, back needs to be polished. The back was actually starting to polish more than the center, so we moved our air mover. Quickest way, if you don't have wind and you're indoors, air mover will get that top where it needs to be. Oh yeah, last hit, burning that fiber right off. Nice and nice. We got Madman Crazy Carl on the green saw. Allows you to cut this the same day. I mean, we just got finishing it. We just finished it literally 10 minutes ago. Allows you to cut it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this garage floor. We're back in the concrete business. Catch you guys on the next one.